everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of CapCut. Here we go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will scrolling down until you find here CapCut. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.